artwork in the city is simply so beautiful. I always take the time to stop and admire them. And you also have lots of live music, and it's holiday time, so there's a lot of musicians around. The library has always been one of my favorite places ever since I was a child, and this one is just amazing. Like the architecture is beautiful, the space is beautiful. It's so relaxing, and there's so many books here. This is one of the largest libraries in Jacksonville, and I got some books, of course, and I'm checking out, and I'm getting ready to get my vision board started, guys. I'm so excited. And these are the two books that I got. I like printing out the receipts. I use the receipts as bookmarks for the my library pages, my book pages, because as a kid I used to dog ear the pages, and as a grown adult now I've learned to appreciate books and cherish them and not do those stuff to the book. So I like using the receipts as the bookmark pages. Um, I'm looking for somewhere to sit. And I'm actually looking at more books. You can actually see the festivities from this window here. Here go the Christmas tree that we passed earlier and all the music that's playing. I'm like, nope, this is going to be a distraction if I sit in this location. So there's quite a few desks and chairs and sofas there to sit in. So I'm trying to find a nice quiet area that we can focus and make sure we get our 2025 locked in. Today I'm actually working on three things. I'm doing my 2025 planner, I'm doing a digital planner, and I'm also working on Japanese. I'm doing a self-study on Japanese. I know a few little words. I know like arigato gozaimasu, gomenosai. I know how to count. I know how to count to three. Ich, ni, san, tres, or something like that. And I know konbanwa. I know arigato gozaimasu. I said already. Yata. So I just knew a few little words. So I'm getting there. So I have these self-study books to help with my grammar because one of my things on my 2025 vision board is visiting Japan. And of course, I need to learn a few words to get around Japan. Like I need to get myself to be the multicultural queen that I am. So right now I'm choosing some pictures, getting my pictures organized. This is a picture of me and my best friend in the whole wide world, my husband. So definitely want to make sure that we prioritize us. This year has been 20 years together, 20 years. So that's in itself is amazing. It's always a good idea to put your dreams and aspirations down on paper, whether it's actually physical paper or a digital thing, such as a digital vision board, so you can actually feel that your dreams are tangible ideas and things that you can bring to life. When you actually see it, that whole manifestation and seeing is believing, it definitely, I feel it does play a part and it does come true. Here is the vision board that we've got together. So I'm using Canva to do my vision board. You can get pictures from the internet, pictures from your personal life, or wherever you want to get images from, and you can use that for your vision board. So of course, I have my plants. I do have a garden channel as well. So I'm doing veggie gardening and flowers. And this is what the actual finished result looks like. I'm going to put this on my tablet, my phone. This way, the devices that I use the most, I can see this on there. Of course, the second one is me and my best friend in the whole wide world, my husband. So this year we celebrated 20 years. I want to make sure that we are prioritizing us. The struggles that come with marriage and children, especially when you're someone as myself with a large family. We have 5 children, so that's pretty big. And the first one, oh my goodness, guys, this is checked off my list, DaVinci Resolve. I'm actually editing this video using DaVinci Resolve. When I started doing the vision board, I edited another video for my garden channel. And I'm like, you know what? I've been watching the YouTube videos. I think I can figure this out. And when I tell you, it was so much hassle trying to figure out how to get the clips into the software. So that was tough. So if you haven't used a video editing software before, this may be a bit too advanced for you to use, but if you've used a video editing software, you may be ready for DaVinci Resolve. You may think that you're not ready, but just dive in. And let's say what I end up getting stuck with is how to add clips to DaVinci Resolve. I put DaVinci Resolve in YouTube, how to add clips, and then you get shorts and longer videos showing you how to do it. And I walk through and did the steps. Every time I get stuck on something, I search the item that I got stuck on, how to fast forward a clip, how to rewind a clip, and things like that. And of course, the pictures with the books, those are just, I love books. So I think it's funny. A lot of time people put the reading challenges, they need to get this amount of books done. My thing is, I'm on punishment. Like I take away books and then give myself books as rewards because I read too much. And of course, I put a few quotes in there, and I want to make sure I'm healthy, so I have my workout there. I'm also looking to get 1,000 subscribers. I've actually did this. I didn't do a vision board this year, but I did one last year, and I actually had 1,000 subscribers. So I got 1,000 subscribers from my garden channel. So that was awesome. So this channel, I'm trying to get this one to 1,000 subscribers as well. And of course, we have traveled to Japan. I'm doing my Japanese study. Here are my babies. I want to make sure I spend more time with my children, like more intentional time. And that's 3 of my words for 2025. Intentional, discipline, motivation. So that's 3 of my words for 2025. And my babies are the world to me. So I want to make sure that these last few years before they go out there in the world, I'm making an impact on them, and I'm instilling those values. And I feel like this is the last chance I have before they get corrupted, quote unquote, by the world, so that they can take all the values that they learn from home and be successful individual adults. Like, that's so scary. Who knows? They may stay home with mom. I would not mind, not one bit. So we have that. And as I told you guys before, I am learning Japanese. I'm planning to go to Japan. I don't know yet, but it's on my vision board. So we're going to make it happen. And I'm going to manifest this. I'm going to make sure that I study Japanese and I have a few words unpacked. And my thing is, and I've taken this even when I was younger and I was in college. And I used to always have this thing. I forgot where I got it from, but it's pretty much, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So say, for example, and one of the things I learned from a younger age is I had my degree, and I'm like, okay, I don't have the job that I want, but if I have the degree, I can get that job that I want. So let me finish this degree and get the job that I want without having to, oh, here go the job, but I don't have the degree yet, so now I got to go back to school and get the degree. You see what I'm saying? So that's one of the things that I actually was able to learn from an early age, and then thank goodness I did, because that has instill a lot of values. I mean, I try, like I say, instill those values in my children as well. So the roundabout way of saying, if I already know a bit of Japanese and I'm ready, then when that Tokyo Japan trip comes about, I'm ready. I don't have to be like, oh my gosh, I gotta go hurry and get some Japanese words down and learn how to say where's the train station or things like that. So I may not be fluent in Japanese because this is hard, but we'll have something there. But guys, I just want to say, do a vision board. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. It could be something just for your productive vision board, romantic vision board, or even something that's geared towards getting healthy and working out, or just it's just for you. So whatever you want to put on that vision board, it could be your Bentley, Rolls Royce, a brand new house, whatever it is that you have in mind that you want. So you put that on your vision board. So happy 2025, guys. You got this.